Firstly, he explained to us that we can love our country by doing that, buying our products. But in this case, he just answered the questions from Esperanto. Do you like when Esperanto said, "Do you like national bread?"
Yeah, it's
National
Indian
bread.
product. Made in Indonesia, I mean.
And then he said that, not really. He said yes, he like it, but sometimes he will buy other products compared to national brand, to our brand, because according to this reason that our products is not good enough compared to others, right? So, meaning that he doesn't like our products exactly. If he really likes our products, he will buy our product, even though it is not good enough compared to others.
Yeah, I got it.
What do you think?
I think to grow that kind of feeling, so you need another comparison of change of notes, change of mind, exchange of minds with other people. So that's why someone can have wide, diverse kind of thoughts to compare. If someone only stick to his or her own mind, he will think that the product, for example, the product of overseas is good. I will never buy the product of overseas like Apple, Samsung, or LG. I will always buy the product of our own country, even though it's bad, even though it's
Even though.
second hand, broken, twice used will be broken. Twice used, it's two times used will be broken. I will love our country despite any reason. So if I could have the opportunity to exchange my thoughts, my minds with other people from different backgrounds, different walks of life. So maybe I will also have got that kind of opinion of that person who will stick to his or her mind to love Indonesia despite all circumstances.
That's it. Thank you. That is very awesome. All right.